Hello guys, welcome back to Manu Aquatics. I'm going to show you how I change my aquascape in my angel tank. This is my angel tank and there are a lot of plants. I don't want to remove all the plants because the roots are long and it's messy, and I want to do something with the same background. If you notice, we have a lot of lampi tetra, 4 angel fishes, and I use this driftwood. I place it in between, making it look like roots or just like mangrove tree or banyan tree. I place dragon rocks. I try to cover everything. If you notice, I have not changed or removed much of the plants. I'm just trying to create a jungle kind of aquascape. Let me clean the glass. I'm using Anubias to make it look like tree. Is it to look like leaves on the tree? I remove water for some time and I fill, and this is the outcome, guys. How beautiful is it? I thought I'll make one side sunrise and one side normal, and this is my polar parrot. He doesn't have one eye. He's getting bullied all the way in his tank, so this has much of hiding places, so I'm going to leave him here. I have also put 2 Xenotus catfish, and look at that outcome, guys. How beautiful is it? This is my jungle aquascape. Angels are freaking out for now. They need time to settle. They need time for the new environment. So this is my time, guys. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. And thank you.